Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Apex Legends. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Step 1. Check for physical damage. Inspect your controller for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks or loose parts. If you find any, consider repairing or replacing the controller. Step 2. Clean the joystick. Use compressed air or soft cloth to clean around the joystick. Dust and debris can cause drift, so ensure the area is free from any obstructions. Step 3. Calibrate the controller. Access your console or PC settings to calibrate the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the joystick's center position and eliminate drift. Step 4. Update firmware. Check for any firmware updates for your controller. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs and improve performance, including issues with joystick drift. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider replacing the joystick module or the entire controller. Look for compatible parts or a new controller that fits your needs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve controller drift and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Apex Legends.